So guys, this is a bit about the S12 today. I haven't done any work on the S12 in quite some time. I was waiting for the machine shop to do the head, but they've been really busy, haven't managed to do it. So today, well, I spoke to them a couple of days ago and they asked me to go over there and lap in the valves. So I'm going to go do that today, which is good. I like doing stuff like that anyway, so yeah, I thought they'd be quick, give it there and get it back, but it's all good, like they do good work. So yeah, just going to go lap in the valves, get it ready for skimming. It's already taken apart pretty much, so yeah, just lap the valves in. I'll take some videos out and show you that. Alright, see you in a little bit. So here is the S12 head. Now as you can see, it's all been washed. I need to take this off, well it's all going to get skimmed. I need to take all this gasket material off here because it's a bit crappy like. I've got new ones of them. This one again, I'll clean this one up the side as well. You have a look at them. Oh my goodness gracious, I mean, yeah, so what I'm going to, these all need lapping in. Intakes are not too bad. The exhaust ones are awful. What I'm going to do first is I'm just going to get these on the wire wheel and clean these up. Might make it lighter as well. Obviously, the old lady that's been driving it is just, yeah, not really revved it at all, and I suppose it's just lost compression through that over time, and it's got less efficient and burnt less efficiently and just coated the valves up. So we're going to get them on the wire wheel first. We're going to get all this cleaned up. We're going to lap them in. We're going to oil in the guides so we get no sort of friction when we're lapping in, but I'm going to put them in a bit of wood so I don't mix them up. Let's just put them in the holes in order so they don't get them mixed up. We'll go clean them up on the wire wheel. Right, let's go to the wire wheel, shall we? Lovely jubbly. First one's first. There you go, first one's first. Oh my good gracious. Wowee, all that on there is crazy. Wow. Let's get the edge cleaned up. It's pretty damn crazy the amount of effort that has taken to clean up to a half decent amount. Cleaned all the collar off as well. Leave that on there. You can see the difference between that and say that one there. It's now pretty monumental. Let's get the other one done. Let's start on number 2. Second one done, which is actually fully clean. It's a lot better than the first one, and it's just used a valve stem polishing tool on that. Look at that, like new. Let's do the first one again. And that's number 1 all redone. Super nice and clean. Look at that, that is lovely. Absolutely lovely. I'm going to put this in the valve stem polishing tool now. Let's get it in. So let's lift it up. We'll lift it up and put this in. There you go, that has come out absolutely lovely, all lovely and polished up. And if you see the difference between that and that, it's like night and day. So I'll definitely be able to get these all seated in there nice. That's number 1. Got 2 more to do. And there's number 3 done. Let's get it in the polishing tool. And there's number 3 done. Still need to grind these in, but yeah. Now look at number 4. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's just try and zoom in on that for a second. And just look at that. Look at the amount that's built up on that. It's crazy. Let's get it done. Always look nice and shiny like these ones. Nice new lovely looking valves. I'll put them back in the correct place where they come from. Okay. And we might as well clean up the intakes as well, so we'll do that now. Right, let's get this one cleaned up. Two hands this really, but looking nice. Alright, let's clean up here. Lovely and clean now as well. Time to line them up too. And then we can start lapping them in. I think I'll start with the exhaust ones first since they look so awful. Put a little bit of oil down the guides. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Speed these up, I'll show you, but first off I'm going to take the valve here, put a little bit of lubricant on the shaft, and yeah, I'm going to poke it through the guide hole here. Second. Here is to speed these ones up, so I've just cleaned it up, just put a bit of vacuum line on there, hold it tight, and I'll spin this in the drill. And as I'm doing that, pulling it up, it'll grind it quickly, and then I'll do it by hand. But that's going to give it a good start off. So they're not 100% these, so they do need regrinding in. The intake ones, I'm going to do them as well, though they are a lot better. Let's get it done. Valve grinding paste, put a bit in the drill. Let's get a bit on the outside of the valve there. So, just a little bit on to start off with. Remember, it's going to get washed and skimmed after this as well. Do a little bit, put a little bit more on, keep going. Alright, let's get it on. Alright, so it's basically like that, and then grind it in. We put some more paper on there now. We go with a plunger for a little bit. Alright, let's get that done. Put two hands in it and do it. Just hear once you hear the sound changing, then it's good to go. Let's take it out, clean it up, and have a look. Let's clean it up. I think that will do. It's looking pretty nice, to be fair. Just wiped off a bit, you know. I'll take that off, and yeah, I think that's alright to go. I think you can see the difference on the valves. This is the one that's been ground in. Where is my finger? That one there's the one's been ground in, and this one's the one that hasn't. You can see the difference. Right. A lot cleaner. Okay, so let's do this one now. Get them all done. Our second one is ready. Let's get grinding. There we go, and that's another one done. Let's get it wiped up and have a look what it looks like. And I'm pretty impressed with that, considering how bad it was. That is actually really nice, considering how bad it was. We'll get them vacuum tested. Let me do them all, and we will vacuum test them. Nice. 2 done. 2 to go. And then we've got the other ones to do. Okay, third one looks good. So look. Looks lovely. Just need to do the fourth one now. Lovely, I've made up dirt with my fingers, so it will wipe up nice, see? It's lovely that. Try and do that one. That's the fourth one done, and it is looking absolutely lovely. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 done. Let's move on to the inlets. I might just do it by hand on the inlets, I think. Because they're really alright, or should I go with tough decisions? Probably just do it by hand on the inlets, do it by hand. Right, and that's 3 intake ones done, as you can see the difference. And those are all looking extra lovely. You can see the difference there. Just do this one. Come up really nice. I'm really happy with them. Really surprised. So yeah, just this one to do. Let's get it done. So last one done. Let's clean them up. Last one done, and this is absolutely lovely and ready to roll. Look at that. Fantastic. Right, let's get them in and clean up. Let's get them in and see how they get on. Good stuff. Might as well clean this up while I'm at it. Clean this gasket off with a blade. Blade in there and just get it cleaned off. Alright, get it cleaned off a little bit like that. Alright, let's go. Done both sides with a blade, so I'm now just going to sand it briefly, get it nice. That's lovely and clean. Time to do the other side. Whoop. That's the other side done. It's ready for vacuum testing. Let's get it done. This is all nicely cleaned up. I'm going to just clean the valves as well. I'm going to oil them, put them in there and get them all vacuum tested. That looks a bit better. Let's get it off to the vacuum tester. Pretty hard, right? Blimey, that's good. Yeah, that's wicked. So that's, what's that, 0.7 bar sucking pressure. So I've made them dirty, is it? Yeah. I'll have to clean them. I'll clean them. Second port's 8, which is pretty good, 0.8 bar. Obviously, we'll let it seat again, it'll probably be a bit better, but I think that's a good one. Oh yeah. There you go. Oh yeah. And the last one, so give it a bit of a, yeah. Go on then. Oh, that's a nice one, that one. Alright. Yeah, that's nice. Alright. Oh yeah, we're well happy with them. God, it's got a bit of suction on that one, hasn't it?
You can hear it.
That wasn't down.
There you go.
Yeah, awesome. Oh, thank you very much, Sean.
That's alright.
That's fantastic. Alright, all good. Guys, that was a great success. So now I'm just going to take the valves out of here and put them back. That job is done. Alright, if you like this video, oh Jesus, if you like this video guys, give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, give it a share and give it a subscribe. You don't usually see these sorts of things, so I thought I'd do it for you today. You can see how exactly it goes on and how you can check your valve seats are all good with a little vacuum tool. So yeah, pretty happy with that. That's how you lap in valves nicely. Alright, I'll just pop them up and get them out from there. Pop up and I'll have to get 2 hands this. Alright. Like, share, subscribe, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Check out my other builds. Make sure you share this video with your friends. And I will see you in the next one. Peace out.